Making delicious soup can be simple and rewarding. Here's a basic guide along with a versatile recipe for a hearty vegetable soup. 1. Choose your base. Most soups start with a base like broth, chicken, beef, or vegetable. You can also use water, but broth adds more flavor. 2. Sauté Aromatics. Start by sautéing onions, garlic, and other aromatics in olive oil or butter. This step builds the foundation of flavor. 3. Add vegetables. Incorporate your choice of vegetables. Common options include carrots, celery, bell peppers, and tomatoes. 4. Seasoning. Add herbs and spices to enhance the flavor. Common choices are salt, pepper, thyme, bay leaves, and parsley. 5. Add protein, optional. If you want to make the soup heartier, consider adding beans, lentils, chicken, or sausage. 6. Simmer. Let the soup simmer for at least 20 to 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. 7. Blend, optional. If you prefer a creamy soup, you can blend it using an immersion blender or a regular blender. 8. Taste and adjust. Always taste your soup before serving and adjust the seasoning as needed. Hearty vegetable soup recipe. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 carrots, diced, 2 celery stalks, diced, 1 bell pepper, chopped, 1 zucchini, diced, 1 can 14.5 ounces diced tomatoes, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 bay leaf, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions. 1. Sauté aromatics. In a large pot, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until translucent. Add minced garlic and sauté for another minute. 2. Add vegetables. Stir in the carrots, celery, and bell pepper. Cook for about 5 minutes until they start to soften. 3. Combine ingredients. Add the zucchini, diced tomatoes with juice, vegetable broth, thyme, bay leaf, salt, and pepper. Bring to a boil. 4. Simmer, reduce heat, and let the soup simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until the vegetables are tender. 5. Finish and serve. Remove the bay leaf, taste, and adjust seasoning if necessary. Garnish with fresh parsley before serving. Tips for delicious soup. Use fresh ingredients. Fresh vegetables and herbs make a big difference in flavor. Experiment with flavors. Don't be afraid to mix and match vegetables and spices based on your preferences. Store leftovers. Soup often tastes even better the next day as the flavors continue to develop. Enjoy your cooking.